Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can write a dragon photo using Pippit AI for free. Okay, first of all guys, you're going to go to Pippit AI website, then you're going to sign in to get free credits and just go to the home menu and add your prompt here. You can generate photo or video, but in this tutorial, I'm going to generate a photo guys using this prompt, and I'm going to upload my photo here. Hold on, I'm still choosing the photo. Okay, I'm going to use this photo, and then I'm going to click on this icon to submit the photo and also the prompt, and let the AI do something for this prompt and this photo. It's still loading guys. Alright, done, and this is the result guys. Oh my god, it's so cool. And if you want to download it, just click on the photo and you can click on this download icon and the photo will be saved to your device. And if you're not satisfied with the result, you can click on regenerate here and the AI will regenerate the photo for you. Okay guys, and that's how you can create writing a dragon photo using Pippit AI. If you want to try it yourself, you can click the Pippit AI join link on my YouTube description, and you can try to make any video or photo as creative as you can. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!